Greetings from Ngramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Hi, this is Aaron. If you have ever found it frustrating to set up a WordPress site just to test or build something, you are not alone. For years, developers, including at Ngramium Plus, have dealt with slow, complicated setup or limited hosting just to get started. But that's changing with the WordPress Studio. WordPress Studio lets you build and test WordPress sites locally right on your computer. No hosting, no FTP, no complicated setup. It's fast, simple, and gives you full control. Think of it like WordPress Playground, but built for real development work. And yes, we have dedicated video for the WordPress Playground linked in the below. Currently, it's available for both Windows and Mac. Studio can be downloaded from this button. It's available for Apple Silicon chip and Apple Intel chip as well. So let's dive into how WordPress Studio makes local environment easier than ever. Now I have just downloaded it on this computer, and this is the first screen you will see when you open it. So in here we can set the site name, we can import a backup, and if we click advanced settings, we can check the local path, we can check the PHP version, WordPress version, and we can use the custom domain. So let's add a site, and we will click next. And for now, let's click on this cross icon. So this is our website. From here we can check the overview, we can check the sync, we can check the preview, we have the import export option, we have the settings as well. From the settings we will be able to check the site details, for example the site name, local URL, HTTPS, local path, WordPress version, PHP version, WP admin, password, and admin URL. So let's check the overview first, and this is, you can see the website is running, and we can click stop. And from this overview, one of the main thing is you can go straight into the WordPress admin area by clicking a link. This opens a new browser tab and takes you directly to your WordPress dashboard. So let's go to WP admin. So it's redirecting me to the WordPress dashboard. And just to clarify, this is all happening locally on your own computer. It doesn't need the internet, and you are not using any web hosting. It's a great way to build or test site privately right on your own machine. Everything is now set up and ready to go. If you ever want to open the site again, you can easily do that from the main screen. So this is our site. We can change everything from here. So if we go to the studio again, from here we can click the open site. If we click that, we will see the front end of the website. Go to the studio again. From here we can add a new site again. For example, if we click add site, this is our second website. Just like that, we can configure the advanced settings as well. Just click add site, and it will take few seconds to create our own site, and boom, done. Our website is ready to go. So from here, let's go to the WP admin again. And this is our site's admin dashboard. And from here we can go to the admin site. Let's click on the customizer, for example site editor. This is our site editor. We can go from here. Let's configure the style, for example navigation, sample page. Let's edit and change something. Let's get started. This one, let's change it for editing. Let's change it for sample and save the changes. Let's go back. We can edit the style, we can change the pattern, we can configure the navigation, we have the templates option, we have the pages options, If we want, we can open the folder from here. We have the cursor option, we have the terminal option as well. If you want, you can stop the website from running. Let's click on stop. The site will be stopped in a very few seconds. Now if you go to the WP admin, it will start running again, and go to our admin dashboard. If you have a free account, you can create up to 5 demo sites online. These are great if you want to share something with a client or test things out. Just to keep in mind, they will only stay live for 7 days. If you don't update or touch them, they will be automatically deleted after that. Now, in order to create the demo website, we will click on previews. Note that we can share the preview of the WordPress Studio demo sites, and we can create up to 10 preview sites for free. And preview site expires 7 days after last update, and it's powered by WordPress.com. So we will click on create preview sites, and it will take few moments to create the website. And from there we can check the updates, expires, and we can click on the actions as well to make some quick actions. So just wait for a few seconds and our site will be created. That's it, simple and easy. Our preview website has been created. Now if we click in here, we will see the exact copy of our site. It tells this is a studio preview sites powered by WordPress.com hosting. So it is very helpful if you want to share it with the client for quick feedback. So now if you want to change something on our site, let's go to site overview. For example, you would like to keep changes on the pages. So let's add a page, add new. This is a test page, create draft, continue. This is test, and let's add a template in here, publish and save, and go to WordPress dashboard. Now let's go to general or reading. We will select that page, this test page, and save changes. So our changes has been made. Now we will go to WordPress Studio. In order to get those changes, we will go to the preview, and from the action 3 dots we will click update. And note that this update works in a way that it replaces all the files from the previous and it's update to the latest. So it is asking for the confirmation. We will hit update, and it will take few moments to update the site. So let's wait for a few moments. So the site has been updated. So this is how we can update the sites. From here we can check the expires date, and we can see the when is the last update was. Now let's see the assistant. If we click on assistant, we will get the assistance from the AI. This is built in on WordPress Studio. So from here we can install the plugins, we can help with the color changes and so on. So let's get a quick recap on WordPress Studio. From here we can add new sites. For example, another website. By clicking add site, we can create a new website, and from here by stop all button we can stop all the website from running. For the individual website we can stop from this button from running. So this is how easy it is to create WordPress website now with the WordPress Studio. So what do you think about WordPress Studio? If you want a fast, beginner friendly way to build WordPress site on your computer and share them for testing, this is a great tool to try. I hope you found this walkthrough of WordPress Studio helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss out more WordPress tips, tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.